we just kickstart this hip-hop shit, fish process. How you been doing to make hip-hop shit this office? Gets blown to pieces if you think you're winning the game. Like a pickpocket, bit nauseous, cause I just heard your name. And now I wanna throw up on the track to make it a sick project. It's toxic, the way that I flip the tongue. Do it low, but I kick the drums. You better leave, but I rip this done. To other people I gotta be different, to kill the rappers. I wanna be living in hypnosis. Man, if you don't understand, I'll make it simple in the scheme, except I won't leave. I'm like a stubborn pimple in the scene, but I just don't bleed. So invincible, the genes are from your streets. Your pretensions and you feel like a gross seed. My intentions are to kill, so I proceed. And when I murder this beat, I leave a rope around his neck, give it nosebleeds. Fuck.
𝗧𝗨𝗡𝗘𝗗 Kashur hip hop. EcOn broken you matravsan green bear hatting bat. Matlab na bad nasib yihis na bat. You were ruzen kape yimini ru anaka yimi bu me naka khata madiulat. Rap football Ronaldo chop yimi vicha karavana EcOn na afo. EcOn trayo me vicha jali mizaz to basho like you na kan for show. Vicha bu good fake chop but him nick and Chinese madi osna ka kari man hick khayi na vicha things of the yar me hate me pani tu kya bano. Ти мене митендери кала вени мети кемону та еба кала мети мана гимана ди ту дури бини ман дури ти мини мини вели тону ки микрофона та гани лекен то иса за кала ма пока не шири не мана чу тот за ди вени шири ме то лампа check Slim Shady им вана чи мей क्योंकि chainsaw म्यों чу दो ये मत सकता वरई बादशाह चीम वजीर नाकार थर्ड पन्नी मृत किंसानी कशीर राजार